Hi everyone. Out at the field today with my recently completed modified RC Powers F-18 version 3. So let's send this baby down range, and I'll do a bit more yapping as we're in the air. So just a tiny bit of breeze here today, especially since I downsized it. She's not the most stable beast in the wind, but a little bit of speed will help. So I downsized this to 85%. So I have a 25.5-inch wingspan. Give her a good crank here. One of the mods I made was I added an extra spar behind the wing spar behind the prop slot. Haven't seen any prop or wing flex whatsoever yet, so super strong wing. So yeah, 25.5-inch wingspan. I purposely wanted to modify a plane, throw her up in a loop here, nice and smooth. You know, to right from the ground up take a 5-inch 3-bladed quad prop. So it's not the fastest plane in my hangar, but definitely the fastest F-18 version 3 I've ever built, and very, very agile. I moved the motor forward by 30 millimeters, and so it's really everything's really tight around the CG. I'll talk a little bit more about my control throws here when we land. Okay, slow her down, we'll kick the rudder over. Very responsive in the yaw. All 3 axes actually. Too much fun. So just getting the throws dialed in there to give it really nice axial rolls. I modified the size of the ailerons and elevons, downsized both of them from stock. Yeah, baby. Hornet Atola of rock and roll. All right. So let's bring her back to terra firma here. Whoa! Alrighty. So let's just walk back over here to the table here a little bit easier to show you everything. So my CG, normally a good starting point on the F-18 version 3 is this wing break right here, or where the lurks leading edge root extension breaks from the wing. I'm about 1/2 an inch, maybe even 5/8 of an inch back from that, so I'm right about there. You know, I obviously wouldn't want to downsize it any more than I did. It's a pretty tight fit there. You know, I've got a 2200 3S battery. If I made it any smaller, I don't think I'd be able to fit a 3S battery in there. So I've got lots of room for a 5-inch prop. Wouldn't be able to fit a 6-inch prop in there. But oh, I should have shown you this before I unplugged it. So I've got not a lot of throw here. Got it written down here so I'd remember. About 3/4 of an inch in the pitch, and in the roll I've got 3/8 of an inch in the elevon, and about 1/2 an inch in the aileron, and then about 5/8 of an inch there in the rudder, which right now seems to be sufficient. So yeah, so there we go, folks. Again, you know, not the fastest plane probably in my hangar, but I'm impressed with how stable it is. So I think you know, eventually we'll give her a whirl on 4S and see what happens. So thanks as always for watching, and thank you from the bottom of my heart for your support to my channel. So humbling and appreciated. Blue skies, calm winds to everyone. Park jet noise. Yeah, the sound of freedom, baby. Take care.